In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a jump cut with audio on your phone in Capcut. So one of the times you would use this is if you're going to use B-roll to showcase your program or you working out or something like that. It's very important to remember, do not shoot your audio like this, talking into the mic. Hold your phone up in front of you as if you would if you were shooting a talking head, and then shoot your audio. Doesn't matter what it looks like because you're going to cut that out, but just sounds much better when you do it this way. So the first thing that you want to do is click on your video and then scroll across. It might be different in yours, but you're going to find it somewhere along this line, extract audio. Press extract audio. Now you'll see the audio down here. So you'll see that as you come across, there's a space. So this is where I would click on it, split it, and then move over there and split it again. Then click on the bit I don't need and delete it. Now you have to hold it and drag it across. So you're just dragging it across that way, put your thumb on it, drag it across. So now that you have the audio extracted, you can go in and go to your overlay and just add the video that you want to put over the top of this. So once you have your video in, click on the video. Then with your two thumbs, just pinch and pull it, like as if you're going to zoom in on a picture, and then move it to wherever you're comfortable. And now if I just edit this, so say if I want to start here, then I can just split, delete what I don't need, long press this and drag it down to the back. So now when the video plays, the audio is going to be over the top of that. If you want to see this on desktop, then click this video right here.